Hey there, and welcome to function number 6. In this function, we're going to assume we're driving to a new city for a small weekend trip. So we need to write a function called getGasolineAmount that receives two numbers as parameters: the number of kilometers to our destination and the average consumption in liters per 100 kilometers. Now, the function needs to return the amount of gasoline needed to complete the entire round trip, so to the city and back. Here we have an example. So if the distance is 128 kilometers and our consumption is 6.4 liters per 100 kilometers, in total we would need about 16.384 liters of gasoline to do the entire round trip. Now, if you want to solve this function for yourself, click on the link in the description. If not, keep watching. I'm going to move here into the editor. And first I want to compute the total distance. So I'm going to say const total distance equal distance times 2, right? So it's a round trip. Next, what I want to do is compute the consumption per kilometer. So I'm going to say const consumption per 1 kilometer is consumption per 100 kilometers divided by 100. Now, to get a result, if I know the total distance in kilometers and I know how much gasoline I need for 1 kilometer, I can just multiply those two numbers and that's our result. So I'm going to say return total distance times consumption per kilometer. Now let's test it first. So I'm going to say console log getGasolineAmount, and I'm going to put the data from the example. So I'm going to say 128 and 6.4. I'm going to go here in the console and there we go, 16.384. Let's test the solution and voila, it's all good. Cheers and see you in the next one.